Hi guys, it's Christian and Jeff here. Just wanted to drop a quick video to let you know about a asymmetric opportunity. That's an opportunity, if you're not familiar with that, that's where you take a small amount of risk that potentially has a huge payoff. And what we're seeing in the market right now is the AI bubble. And I'm not saying AI is going away or anything like that, but I do think that um, there's a lot more money being invested in this that is ballooning that space to where I think it's forming a bubble. And so I wanted to share a quick way to leverage that. And if you're into trying to put a small amount of money at risk to get potentially a huge payoff, this video is for you. It's not financial advice. This is just what we're doing. So do your own due diligence. And if you got a better thought about this or a better way to play it, please share it in the comments.
Hmm.
So if you look at the top companies in the AI space, they're all buying and selling a lot of the same things to each other. So that revenue is circular. And so if you look at one of the tickers for a leveraged bull play on semiconductors, that's SOXL, that has gone from in the last year, it's gone up several hundreds of percent. So that's a bubble, in my opinion. So if I think that's going to come down, there's a couple of different ways to play that. I could buy puts on it coming down, but those would be expensive. The other way to play that is there's an opposite ticker, which is a bear on, sorry.
You got an alarm going off?
Yeah, no, it's how do I stop that? There we go. No, we're getting emergency flash flooding
Oh,
warning. So um so anyway, the bottom line is I'm buying leap call options on a leveraged semiconductor bear.
mhm.
That's called, the ticker for that is SOXS. Why am I doing that? Because when SOXL is near its all-time high, by definition, SOXS is near its all-time low. And so I can go out several months in time into 2027 and purchase leaps, um, leap call options for not much money. Now, keep in mind, there's a high probability that I could be wrong on this and that any money that I bet on that will be lost. And that's why I'm doing it with options versus buying the underlying, because the underlying ticker symbol has to get reset each month. So contractually. So that's what causes the degradation in the NAV of those types of tickers. So um, if I'm going to experience that NAV erosion, I would rather experience it in an option, which is uh, a lot less money at risk. And then that also provides me the opportunity to dollar cost average down on that option, or each month buy another small position another month out. And again, as long as it doesn't happen, that bubble doesn't burst, that money is going down the drain. Right? It's going to lose value. If I'm right and that bubble does burst, there's a huge opportunity. So think of it like Dr. Michael Burry from the Big Short movie. He was the one that created an instrument to bet against the U.S. housing market when it didn't even exist, because he saw in 2007 that um, there was a housing bubble, and he put a lot of money, or he put money at risk that returned multiples of itself. So we just want to share this opportunity with you. Do your own due diligence. Um, just want to share what we're doing.
Yep. And
Thanks.
then another quick note here. So that SOXS is actually doing what is it doing here on I think it's the 15th, you said, Jeff?
Yeah, they're doing a reverse split. And the reason that they're doing a reverse split is because they've been wrong for about a year, right? So The nav erosion and the contango of that has happened to where it's forcing them to do a reverse split just to keep the stock price, get the stock price back up.
And
So
why, and
anything
why,
before the 15th.
okay, and why are you waiting to actually make those plays until after that happens?
Because if you buy an option and then a reverse split happens, then that option that you own becomes non-standard. Those are more challenging to trade.
Yeah, pains in the butt. So I got stuck with some of that a couple of months ago and couldn't do anything with it. So but yeah, hopefully this was helpful. If you guys have any questions or any topics that you would want covered, Jeff is a wealth of knowledge. He doesn't know everything, but he knows more than enough to be dangerous. So but yeah, God bless you all and have a great day.